Hey traders, good morning. This is Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here's the pre-market prep and our daily trade plan for today. It is Thursday, August 8th. Taking a look at the ES pre-market, we have about 40 minutes before the market opens. Just wanted to go over our trading plan real quick here for you guys and our members. Taking a look at the ES, like I said, big picture. Looks like the market wants to continue to move up. We do have some room to the upside. Nice big area to reclaim. Just like I said, real quick, what's been happening after this massive sell-off that we had? This bullish green candle actually set the low, took out that candle from the sell-off. That impulse moved down. This next candle from a few days ago took that low out, then reversed and closed higher than this previous candle close. So that's the first bullish sign yesterday. Again, the market came down to this area. There's actually a gap fill close on the day session only, and you could see it on SPY and SPX as well. But that held, the market reversed and closed higher than the previous day, and it looks like we're going to continue to move up. And try to get back up above that 2900. So that's the short term off the bigger picture, looking for some more room to the upside. On the shorter term picture, you can see off of this 15-minute chart that we are basically basing higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and staying above this 2880 area, above yesterday's high or the day before high, and so it looks like we want to continue to push up here, and so we'd be looking to buy pullbacks, and then if we get above 2900, that may change things. We may want to wait for a bigger retracement and then hop on board. I got my eye on this 2860 area. That's a nice level to pay attention to, but these price swings are pretty big as of, well, really starting from a week ago, and so some really nice moves are happening in the markets. Fast markets, big swings, lots of profit potential. You just got to know where to buy and where to sell, and when to stay out of the market as well. So one last thing, let me just show you that gap fill yesterday. So this was the big sell-off day right here. You can see that. We came down, set the low, rallied up off of that into the close, sold off, going into the close and past the close, into the 115 reset, never getting back down into this particular area where you see a nice big strong move up after setting a base. And then yesterday, 2 days ago, we had gapped up and just traded above this whole area before we got back up to the origin of the drop, and that was a area that we were looking at for selling. Definitely took advantage of that short, and then you can see yesterday that we had gapped down out of this area and sold off in the morning. They pushed it down, probably got people panicking, and they took it right down into this level. You can see between 26 and 22. It held, rallied up, and moved higher than that initial drop area. So this is one of the opportunities that we took yesterday. Really good opportunity on that long. It actually showed up on these other products as well. Let me just show you that real quick. We'll get out of here. So here's SPY, same thing. A big drop day, base, rallied up, hadn't been tested yet. Yesterday we came down, came in here, we got a reversal candle, bullish signal, moves up, takes the high out, pulls back, origin of the open, and then continues on up. Same thing on SPX. So the S&P products are going to look very similar. It's just nice to see it on multiple products at the same time. And so whether you trade options or futures, if you trade futures, you take the futures contracts. It showed up on the micros as well, not just the E-minis. if you trade options. SPY was a great option for you, and SPX as well. If you trade options on SPX, then there's your way of getting involved in these markets. So how we analyze the markets, the technical analysis, price action, the patterns, chart patterns, market behavior, understanding and reading what the market wants to do. It applies not only to futures, what we trade primarily, but also other products as well. And that's why we trade other products as well, because it applies to it. Everything we do is just chart based. So that's it for today in terms of the pre-market prep. Like I said, look to stay bullish. We're up about 11 points right now. We still have about a half hour before the market opens. Looks like we're basing up higher, and we want to move, pop up. Other than that, wait for a little bit of a deeper pullback before hopping on board off the 60-minute chart. This 2860 area looks pretty good. So that's what we're keeping an eye on. And that's it for today, guys. Good luck trading. Have a good day, and we'll see you later.